Today we are going to be looking at the truth about binary options. This is everything you need to know if you're either getting involved with binary options or you're already involved with binary options. If you're willing to risk your hard-earned money on a binary options platform, you should most definitely know the following things up front. The first thing we're going to talk about is the binary options broker. And what do you need to know about the binary options broker? Is that it is in their best interest for you to lose money. If you are losing money in binary options, the broker you are using is making money. When you are making money, the broker you are using is losing money. So it is in their best interest for you to lose money. And the reason that these brokers continue to thrive is unfortunately because the majority of people on binary options are losing money and the brokers are making money. These platforms wouldn't exist if it was a big system to help everyone make money. It just doesn't work that way. Someone's got to get paid, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to be the broker. So the broker's best interest is for you to lose money. That's the first point. Secondly, the platform that you use, and this kind of ties into the broker as well. But for example, IQ Option, this is just the broker that we personally use. So that's the example I'm going to use. IQ Option has education on it. It has educational material. They have educational material on YouTube. And that's what I wanted to talk about, was the platform you use will always, not always, but more likely than not, provide you with education to help you achieve success in binary options. This brings me back to my first point. It is in the broker's best interest for you to lose money. So the education that the platform provides you, do you really think it's going to help you, or do you think it's going to help you chip away at that account bit by bit until you've blown the whole account? The education they provide is rubbish. The platforms do not provide real education at all. It's all stuff that's just gonna help you lose money. Thirdly, the education you find online. So all over the place, there's people selling strategies or giving free information on YouTube. Most of these people are trying to catch you out. These videos have been placed there for a reason, and it's to help you lose money. At the end of the day, this is an industry where there's a lot of beginners, a lot of people that don't understand how the markets work just yet. So they're easier to catch out, and there's a lot of these people online. So most of the education you find online will be garbage. And lastly, the risk. And this is the most important one, and this is for me the biggest thing you need to be aware of when you're getting involved with binary options, is that they make it seem as though the risk is always in your hands. It's always in your control, because you know up front what the potential profits are. And they always talk about the profits, how you can make up to 80% return on a trade. They always talk about the profits. But what they don't talk about is the fact that the risk is always in their favor. You're always going to be holding the risk in your hands. And that's because when you place a trade on a binary options platform, you are risking 100% of the value of the trade you've placed. So if you place a $1 trade, you are risking losing $1 to potentially only make a certain percentage of that. You will never find a binary options broker that will pay you $1. When you put up $1 to trade, they will never pay you $1 or more if you win. They'll only ever pay you less. You'll only ever get 90%, 80%. The risk is always on you. You are always holding more risk. You are always risking to lose more than you can potentially make. And that is very, very important to understand. If you are interested in learning how to trade binary options properly, do consider checking out our Viper binary strategy. It is the real way to trade binary options, and it is highly effective. If you're interested in this, go check us out, www.traderoomsessions.com. All the information you need is on the website.